Hello and welcome to Gift and Event Print. My name is Michael. I'm here to show you around on our site and how to edit your print design on the design editor. Here are the designs that I have edited. Gray shirt, white text, black text on gray shirt, white text, and element on dark blue shirt. So I'm going to remove all of this from my cart. I've added all of this to cart and start from scratch to show you how you can edit the design of your shirt as well. If you're ready, let's get started. Here's the first design that I edited. The print editor has opened. There are three ways to use colors on the print editor. The first is to edit the color of your product by coming to the left hand side of the panel right here. The first panel. The second way to use color is applying color to the text of the design. When you select the text, you come to the up right hand corner here. You will see a small paint bucket. Click on it and you'll see the drop down color. The third way to apply color is to applying color on the object or shape. So when you click on the crown here, for example, you will see a color at the top middle up here. When you click on it, you can begin to change the color. So first of all, I'm going to change the color of the shirt. I want my shirt to be dark blue. I'll pick the dark blue color from the product panel. Then I want all of the elements on it to be white. I will go ahead and change the color to white. We have pre-added some colors here. Maybe the color you want to use is not available. Click on the bar right up here and select the color you want by just moving your hand around, or pick any of the selected color here. So I will pick white in this case. I will click away or close the panel so that I can select other element, apply color. I will do the same thing one after the other. Click away. I will click since 2025. I'm going to change this to 2020. And come to the pin bucket. Click on it. Change it to white. Close the pop-up boxes. I will do the same thing to the female shirt. Click all of the colors you are seeing here and change them one after the other. And as you can see, as I'm changing them, it's applying the changes. I click on the woman shirt and I have a doubled crown element here. Simply go up right here at the middle and click undo to undo the changes. So I will do it again, but this time around, I'm going to use the slider at the bottom right hand corner to increase the view. Then I will hold the shift key on my keyboard and use my mouse to move the design around so that I can shift it up a little to see the area I want to edit. So I'll click on the crown again, click on the color bar to change it to white. I will click the text as well and change it to 2020 as I did to the male shirt. Click on the paint bucket, change the color to white, and zoom out a little to see my design properly. Then I will click on the arrows and start changing the colors. I'll do the same thing to the female shirt. Now our edit is complete and I'm happy with this design. I will add to cart. Okay, let me remove the previous ones in my cart so that it's empty. Now I'll add this to cart. Oh, there's a warning here. telling us that we need to select the size of the shirt. So size A is the male size. I will choose XL. Then choose L, which is large for the female and extra large for the male. The quantity, I will leave it as 1. Then add to cart once more, and it's added to cart. Good. Let's go and pick another product. And we go to by occasion, filter by occasions and event. Then wedding anniversary, t-shirts and cap. I will choose, let me go to page 2. So I will come here and edit the design here. So I want the shirt to be gray. I want the gray color this time around. Go ahead and change the shirt color to gray. We can see that all the text and elements are lost on the gray shirt because the colors are too close. So to fix this, we can either make the text and element a very bright color or dark color. So in this case, I'm going to change all of the text to white. Text and all of the objects on it to white. And we'll come to the paint bucket, click on the color bar up here, and come down here to choose white. Do the same thing to the 20th, change it to white. I will edit this 20th and change it to, I will change it to 3rd. Position it well. Change this one to 3rd as well. And change the color to white. Close. I will come here and change all of these elements to white. If you need to change some elements and you can't seem to select them, so another way to select is to come to the left hand panel here and go to the icon that says layer. So on the layer, you can see all of the elements that are used on this design, on the shirt, on the product. So click on it one after the other to select, to find the one you want to edit. We have this selected. I will go ahead and edit the text by coming up right here. We change it to 2020 and change the color to white. I will do the same thing to the female shirt and change the color to white. Change all of this ornament to white. We change this ornament on the female shirt to white as well. So in this case, I want the word "third" to be a different color, a darker color instead of white. I will go back to the fill color. Let me try dark blue. This one looks okay, but I'm going to choose black instead. I will choose black for the female as well. It looks okay. I will slide back by clicking zoom out to see my design properly. So I'm happy with this. We add it to cart. It's telling us that we need to select the size, XL for the male and L for the female. The quantity is 1. I'm okay with it. Add that to cart as well. Then I would want a face cap. So let's go back and choose face cap. We open the face cap. I want, let me see, I'll edit this. So the default cap here is white, but I want it to be blue like the sample I saw on the store. I'm going to choose a blue cap and change all of this element to white. I want it to be white. I'll change it to white. I will come to the layer panel to select all the lines and change them to white as well. I will edit this since 2023, change it to 2020 and change it to white. The together, change it to white. I'll go back to product panel so they can change the quantity to 2. You can either type it directly or use the plus and minus to add. So I will make the quantity 2, one for the male and one for the female, and add that to cart as well. So let me view all my products in the cart. 1, 2, 3. So if I want any change right here, I can go ahead and click the edit. But now that I don't want any change, I will go ahead and click checkout so that I can see it on the store cart page. We click checkout and wait for the designs to upload. This can take between 2 to 3 minutes depending on how fast your internet connection is and the size of the designs you have added to your product, shirt or cap, any product you choose. It's redirecting me to the cart page so that I can preview my order before I check out. So here are all the designs. I need to confirm them. The first one is dark blue, male XL, the female L, the quantity is 1, so this is correct. The second is gray color, the female L, the male XL, the quantity 1, it's also correct. The cap, we have 2 units, the quantity, and the color we chose was blue, is correct as well. So I will go ahead and click checkout to go to the checkout page. I'm on the checkout page after confirming my order. On the checkout page, go ahead and input your email address where you will get the order notification, and to follow up your order, you import your shipping address where we'll ship the order to. The shipping is free. Then you see a corporate account where you make your payment into. Then you go ahead and place your order, and this is how to edit a design and place order on GiftAndEventPrint.com. If you have any questions or concern whatsoever, kindly send us an email via our support email, which is support@GiftAndEventPrint.com. Thank you.